guys, we're gonna start this here. I am currently about to walk in and get my nails done. I had a hair appointment today, got my lashes done yesterday. Girls and I got pedicures done yesterday together. And if you're wondering, wow, this is a lot to get done in a span of 2 days, what's going on? Tomorrow, the girls and I are leaving for Miami for a week. So this is the start of that vlog. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys along the ride. Thanks, you said you wanted to come. Take a video. It's all of us. Stop it. She's gonna put that in it. I will put that. Stop. She's gonna put it in it. She's gonna put that in the video. Good morning, Munchkin.
Follow white rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Watch me grow taller. Yeah, rabbit's watches in his pocket. Yeah, he stays late, but he leads me, so I follow. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back.
Hey guys, Kelsey here. So I haven't really checked in and explained to people what's going on. We flew in on Wednesday. We got here at about 6 o'clock. It was kind of late. I also can't open my eyes because it's fucking sunny and my eyes are sensitive. But we got here about, I think, 6 in the afternoon. From there, we went grocery shopping at our Airbnb, got some alcohol, came home, went to bed pretty much for the night. We woke up early yesterday, went to the beach for a couple hours, then we had a boat tour. I'll link that description box below. It was totally worth it. It was $40 Canadian, and literally you're on a boat for 2.5 hours. You're allowed to bring your own liquor. They have coolers for you, so you don't have to worry about like lugging a cooler, and they dock. We were connected to P. Diddy's Wi-Fi. We were just like, you know, hanging out, swimming in the water. And then we got home, we had like a couple hours to relax, got ready to go for dinner, and then we went to 77 Stop or something. I don't know. I'll put the name somewhere so that you know where it is, because I'm silly and I don't remember. And from there, afterwards, we kind of just hung out, and then we came back, went to bed for the night, and now it is Friday. We are planning on going out tonight. Bachelorette party next to us.
I made friends. She made
is Sunday, and we went out last night. We went to Story. We left right before Little Wayne came out, so a little sugary tea there, but still pretty cool. We got to see Guy, like I'm talking like cooking Guy, and we're gonna go for breakfast, and then I think they're gonna drop us off the beach. We're gonna spend a beach day, so yeah, should be fun.
I'll give you something real. Show me what you really feel.